My name is Rodolfo Kosovic and I am presenting an experiential report titled Co-Designing New Keyboard and Mouse Solutions with People Living with Motor Impairments. My co-authors are Steve Hodges from Microsoft Research, Jin Kang and Audrey Girard from Carleton University. Co-design is challenging and we need it in order to make computers more accessible, because when designers render the users as non-designers is problematic. Despite of the efforts of the HCI community, it is still challenging to reach a balance of collaboration. In this presentation, we share our experience co-designing and hardware prototyping between researchers and designers without disabilities and people with motor impairments. The work we are presenting includes the preliminary data collection with focus on assistive technologies in relation to the computer use. And we use Microbit with JAGTAG, a physical prototyping tool, in order to make electronic prototyping approachable. And in real time, what happens in the physical domain also happens on the screen, and colorful blocks allow programming. This is the way that one of our first co-design activities lasted only 10 minutes, where we created functional keyboard and mouse prototypes. And while simulation has been pointed out as an inadequate approach, because it's difficult to simulate a disability and what does it mean for empathy, we created a series of experiences asking the people with motor impairments to design and sensory experience while they explain their pain points when using a computer. Some of the designers wearing rubber bands on their hands while typing on the computer according to the instructions of the participants, or having their hands and chair shaken as was instructed with somebody living with cerebral palsy. When we got to develop the solutions, we got environment of collaboration, doing a role-play game where the people with motor impairments were the CEO of a small startup whose co-founders were the designers. So that way we ensure that in the moment of having strategic decisions, there was always dialogue. And I don't have the time to read out loud the 8 recommendations we did for co-design and for hardware prototyping, but I will mention that empowering the participants was crucial. We have to acknowledge them as the experts they are, and when we get a prototype, we need to think about the timing, what is in the input and the output, and how do the users think about this. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to receive your questions and comments.